Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, I know you thought I forgot about you all, but I have not. Had some things I had to take care of, but now I'm here. So listen, it's been a great freebie week. I'm quite sure you all enjoyed the freebies. Pass it around anytime you get it. Now we got another freebie. This one is nice. It's called new Racer T200. I like this one. Now, this is going to be your everyday watch face. You can wear this throughout the week. Start your Monday grind with this one. This one is really nice. Now, in the AOD mode, it's going to look really nice. It's just going to be dimmed down in a black and white theme. Not a bad look at all. But when the watch face is on, I like the design of this one. It's a fun, everyday watch face that really stands out and pretty much gives you everything that you can seek out of a watch face. Now, it is an analog watch face, and then you do have a digital time down at the bottom that blends in perfectly with the watch face. But let's take a look at the watch face, right? So you get some numbers to this watch face up at the top and then a couple of them down at the bottom. Then you're going to get your info over here for your steps, your miles walked and ran. Down here you will get your day and your date as well. Step information at the top. The look and layout of this watch face really looks nice. I'm surprised that the watch face is free and it offers a lot of features and functions as well. But I do like the hands. They're very stylish on this watch face, makes it stand out. And then this developer put a smooth second hand down on the bottom of this watch, which makes it look really nice. Now, it does have features and functions. All you got to do is just tap in certain areas of the watch face and it'll pull up all the information you need: heart rate information, step information, calendar information, things of that nature. We just cycle through some of these so you can get an idea of what you're in for when you download this watch face, which is nice, especially considering that it's free and you get 8 color themes to this one. Let's check it out. Let's double tap. And these are going to be some of the ones that you're going to get. They all look nice. I'm telling you, the watch face really stands out. I recommend the download. The colors are all nice. Should be able to blend into whatever it is that you're going to be wearing through the work week. I'm going to say, people, this is a definite download. But listen, correct me if I'm wrong. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And if you like the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And remember, people, the Monday grind approaches.